Hey guys, good morning and welcome to Vlogmas day 6. So yesterday I actually didn't post a vlog. I actually just posted a full video. So if you guys want to check that out, I'm going to link it down below. This is the video that I posted, you guys. It is a gingerbread house challenge with my husband. So definitely check it out. I'm going to link it below. Right now we are going to go to the gym. Hey. Woo! It is 7:20 in the morning. I had TRX last night and I have it tonight, but I also have energy right now. So I figured I would just, you know, take advantage of that and go to the gym with Martin this morning. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. Let's do it. So this is our gym. This is in our complex. So it's very convenient and it also gives us absolutely no excuse not to come to the gym because it's literally down the hall from us. So all right, I'm gonna set you guys up and we're gonna do this workout. All right guys, we did it. Got sweat going. That's a good workout. All right, time to go back home and make breakfast. You guys, it is coming down outside right now, so we're getting flash flood warnings. Y'all, look at this rain. Can you hear it? Can you see it? So crazy. Rainy day, but make it fashion. Okay, I'm about to take Chio out on her walk right now, and it is pouring rain. And if there is one thing that Chio hates more than strangers coming to our door, it is the rain. She does not function well out there. So this is gonna be an interesting walk. I have a windbreaker on. This is the most weather appropriate jacket that I own. I have basically nothing heavier than this other than a leather jacket and like a long, almost tweed knit material from Zara, which like, I'm not bringing out in the rain. I'm not trying to ruin that jacket. I'll freeze to death before I bring that out in the rain. All right, I'll see you guys later. Yes, dinner. Hey guys, just doing a little check-in. So I just got back from TRX. As you can see, the hair is wet. We are looking a little worse for the wear, but that's okay. I kind of didn't really do anything except for edit today. So yeah, not a whole lot to vlog, but we are gonna do something really fun tonight with this one. She has no idea what we're about to do. So as I promised yesterday, we are gonna do the paw print ornament. So excited. I don't know if she's gonna enjoy this or if she's gonna absolutely hate us forever for it, but it's gonna be both. It's gonna be all of the above. Like, PETA, don't come for me, okay? No dogs are gonna be harmed in the making of this ornament. Let's do it.
Place aluminum foil, not included in kit.
Of course. God forbid they include what we need. Okay. Wait, is this as big as they wanna do it? This is like as big as my head. We have a teacup Pomeranian, like what?
She could probably fit through that ring.
She'll fit in this.
Need the impression material for 2 to 3 minutes.
Why are we needing material every night? Like I'm massaging some new material every night.
We'll just put it on board.
I was born ready. Give us lighting. So. Yes. Oh, why is it so big? Like, what is this for, like Saint Bernard? Oh, okay, I'm already tired. I did it. All right, now what? When do I get the dog over here to put her paw in? All right, so then just
press paw into impression material and remove.
Oh, she's actually being really chill about it.
Good girl.
Oh.
We got your nails in there. We have to wash her paw off.
Are you kidding me? So cute. This literally looks like nothing, actually. That's like actually not too far off. Hey. Yeah, this is your paw. Oh yeah. So guys, this is what it looks like right now. Oh. That's so cute. So I guess we'll update you in like 4 days when it's totally dry. Actually, I'll check in tomorrow. Maybe it'll be okay by tomorrow. All right guys, so really quickly, we're gonna do the laundry and I'm gonna take you guys with me because I know that I love seeing people be productive. So you guys are gonna see me be productive. Yes, let's do some laundry. right guys, we're all finished and we're tired. I actually have a really exciting day tomorrow and I can't wait to take you guys with me because I'm doing something really fun and I'm like so excited to do it. So yes, I'm gonna get to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. Make sure that you check in tomorrow for Vlogmas day 7. Night guys.